Hello friends, today I am going to say you a amazing story about the Mughal peoples and the Indian peoples. So let's begin. Once upon a time there lived a king. He was a Mughal and he was ruling in Kolkata. Afterwards he shifted to Delhi and now he was bored. So he asked his one of his minister that where should we go? He told that I can't think where to go. You can tell me where we should go. The minister told that we can go to Singapore, that is in Gujarat. So it is a nice place and we can make our new golden mahal. So the king agreed and started his journey. It took a long time to reach there. It was 45 kilometers far away and it took 6 months to reach there. Finally, he reached in the North Singapore. But there was not so much space available. So he told his minister that we should go to South Singapore. They started their journey and after 1 week they reached there. In the South Singapore, as they reached there, they started the construction of the new Golden Mahal and finally after a week that was built. Then they told that you the king told their ministers and soldiers that go in the market and announce that now we will rule here and all people have to listen ours. So the soldiers and ministers sat on their horses and gone for the market. They announced everything that the king told. Some people were not agreed with that, but for their dear lives they agreed. And after some days, the king made a very bad rule, and the rule was lock up. No one can go out of their house. For the whole year, people were not agreed, but the king killed everyone. People were very scared and were fearing in their houses. The soldiers, king, and the ministers thought that the country means the city is there. The city is owned, not another people's, just our. But it was very difficult to live there. Finally, the king told now this rule is finished. On the new year, people celebrated the 1st January very happily. But the king saw that everyone was very happy and he was so angry that he started a new rule that now no festival would be celebrated again. People were not people thought that array it is like that only we should celebrate, but the king was very strict and whoever celebrates the festival he was killed. Very dangerous. The rule was very dangerous, and some people were so scared of that they didn't celebrate the festival. The king was very happy to see that. The ministers were also very happy, but some of them were not because they were. The king was thinking that, see, we just came here and made some rules, but we are not doing anything. Yeah, what should we do? But I can't think. One of the minister told, yeah, we can blast the city. The king told, yes, we can blast. But another minister told, if you blast the city, then the city will be just nothing. People will be not there. No one will respect you. And then where you will rule? Tell me. The king accepted that we should not blast, but he told his soldiers that go there and attack. kill people as much as you can. The soldiers gone there and started killing the people. The market was disappeared. The rushed and the crowd was disappeared in 1 minute. People were so scared that they were running here and there for their dear lives. After that, the soldiers killed 1000 people, and in the village, the population decreased a lot. It was very bad that the population was coming down and down every day. After some time, the king told that we should make some rules. What we should do? Yeah. Now the rule is that the house should not have any doors. So if we feel to kill anyone, we can go in the house and kill. It is a good rule. And the king told about the rule. People were not accepting them. But from the strict rule, it was followed by all people. And the population was so decreased that very few people were remaining in the village. So their Sarpanch told that we should do something. We should have some freedom fighters for the thing. What shall we do now? See, I think we should leave this village for 2-3 weeks. So everyone packed their bags and everything and left for their journey. They were out from the Singalapur. And then the king sent all the soldiers to kill some, but there were no people. This news shocked the king. He called out each and person from that another village and called in Singalapur and told, now if anyone goes out from this village, he would be killed. This law was very strict, and many people tried to go out from the Singalapur, but they died. The king was very happy to see all that thing. The king was planning about some rules and laws. He was thinking, he can't think that what we shall make that. Then suddenly he got an idea. He told that if we blast the village, but not the full village, if we blast the half of the village, means the North Singalapur, all will run to the South Singalapur, and then we can kill all the peoples. The ministers and all the soldiers accepted that. Then after Christmas, the king blast a bomb in the North Singalapur. It was very loud. It can be heard in South Singalapur too. Population of the North Singalapur was 5 lakh, and out of them 35,000 were killed, and who were remaining, they all ran to the South Singalapur. But that was a plan, and king killed every day 4,000 people. Everyone were so scared that now they were very sad, and the king started a new game, a new rule, truth and dare. The king started the truth and dare game at 1st March, and he asked the first question to a man whose name was Rahul. He asked that, what were you thinking before? The man told, you are very bad. The king was so angry, but he didn't kill. He called him in his mahal and told, "Hmm, see, sit on this chair." But the man was confused that he sit on the king's Sinhasan, and the king was so angry that he killed him. The first man was killed. The king didn't realize that what to do, and he killed many people in the dream. King accepted that, but he told, "We will not blast, but we will attack." He told the soldiers that take knife and handful things and attack on the city and kill people. Then people will be very afraid and come to us and plead us. They will plead us and request us that please do not break our houses. It will be very good. Just attack and kill as much as people you can do. Then all soldiers gone in the city and started killing. Everyone was running here and there. All the rush in the market was disappeared in a 1 minute. It was very bad. Very bad. So many people were scared.